Who doesn't like black clothes? Come on, tell me you don't have a pair of black jeans that you love. But everybody knows the problem with black clothes is that they eventually start fading. The solution I've come up with is to just re-dye some of the black clothes that I have that I may not want to get rid of, or I may not be able to find that particular article of clothing again. I use what they call the washing machine method, which is pretty easy for me because a lot of times I may dye 2 pair of jeans at a time, or a jacket or something like that. So the washing machine actually works better for me. You would need the dye, the washing machine, and a cup of salt. You will also need a teaspoon of dish detergent. Some people leave this step completely out. What we normally do is add the salt, the detergent, and the dye in as the water is filling up the washing machine. After the washing machine is filled with water, we normally let the jeans soak in the washing machine for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then we wash the jeans as normal. Once the jeans are done, we take them out of the washing machine and start the color stay process. The color stay process is important in my opinion because it helps your clothes keep their color much longer. It also helps them to not fade on your other clothes. We simply add the color stay solution to the washing machine as it fills with water. We let the jeans soak again for about 30 minutes this time, and then we wash them. Once that's done, voila, brand new pair of jeans. This could potentially add 6 months to a year to the lifespan of your jeans, depending on how much you wear them. Let me know down in the comments any other ways to dye black jeans. Bye.